right, we have a mystery toy box for $5.99. Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Let's see what we got. And I'm halfway in my garage because it was just raining and I'm afraid it's gonna start again. So, all right, let's see what treasures we may find in the $5.99 mystery box. Anybody see anything good? These look like stamps, but they look to not be in great condition, but I don't know if that really matters because people are really just using the stamp, so might be able to do something with that. This looks like a kind of like a John Deere, but it doesn't say John Deere on it. Oh, look, it lights up. It's kind of fun. PolyMailers toys, never heard of that. This might go with it. No, that's like more of a metal, huh? I don't see any markings on that. What on earth? Okay, so that's Tonka. It's a Tonka chomper. And it looks like, I don't know what exactly. Oh, look, its mouth opens. It's got like a face on it. All right, that looks like a pain to ship. Funrise. It's like a cat plastic dump truck. This is Disney. It's a little bit dirty. It would definitely need cleaned up. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's kind of cute, right? If I cleaned it up. Somebody might want that. I'll look it up. This is a die cast. It's metal. I'm assuming that would be die cast. Maybe it's just metal, but Disney Pixar. O-Ball. Monster Jam. Huh, I've never seen a Monster Jam that looks like that, but maybe I can lot that up with something. It's a phone book. That's kind of cute. Ooh. It's really dirty. It's from Fisher Price, 2003. This, always look at the dates. That one says 1998. So Mighty Wheels Construction, maybe I should look that up just because it's vintage. This little guy, I can put him with some toys. He's from 1990, Little Farmer. Sometimes things like that, people are looking for them. Oh, there's his tractor, you guys. I think. That one doesn't. I don't know. Maybe it goes together. Wham or Whack-A-Mole? Huh. What on earth is that? Whack-A-Mole, 2004. So it looks like it's Hasbro. So maybe some sort of game. I guess I could look it up. All right, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, this one is $9.99. So from the first box, woo, these are the items I'm thinking about. So Not 100% sure. Donating. All right. So we'll just donate that. This is a Toy State cat truck. Looks like it needs batteries, but I don't know if the back of it is. This looks like some sort of Melissa and Doug stamps. It looks like maybe letters. So that's probably been heavily played with. This, it's starting to rain. Oh, it just said back up. Our dog is sitting in the rain. However, you can see that our concrete's like half wet and half dry, so it was starting to clear up. What is this? I do want to see what's inside. Oh my goodness, I might have to stop the camera. Get it open. Ah, I did it. Crybabies, Magic Tears. That looks like it's never been actually, well, maybe that one has, maybe, I don't know. I'll look into it. Could be interesting. That's a look into. All right, we have a doll head, but it's, I don't want to mess with it. I'll hang on to this. I might be able to put her with something else. That looks like, that thing said crybabies. I thought this was a crybaby, but I don't know. I'm not really familiar with it, but I'll look it up. Because see, her eyes have holes in them. Maybe they go together. This would be Shimmer and Shine. I don't know which one it is, but she's got stickers on her face. And her hair's not too horrible. I might look her up because I can probably get the stickers off of her face. You've been sentenced. Oh, not counting those cards. Donate. Make a puppet. Shifters. I think, is that one of those shake cars? It's Mattel. Yeah. So typically they will take off. I think that's one of those. I'll look it up. Some of those just depends. Choo Choo Train. This is a Toy State, so it's not, but it does have, I don't know, I can probably put it with some other stuff. Okay, these are what I was looking at, and I got sidetracked. These are Greenbrier, so I'm not gonna mess with those. They're just plastic. Again, we've got stickers. I can get that sticker off, maybe throw that in a toy lot. This one was $10.99, I think, or $9.99, so I do want to try to make a little bit of my money back. This one looks like it's one of those shaker cars also. That one's kind of fancy. It lights up and the door's open, but oh yeah, see how the wheel started going? I'll definitely look that up. It is made by Mattel Fisher-Price. You can see Fisher-Price on the back, but I'm wondering if it's broke. Look it up. This is a light up balloon unicorn head. That's interesting. The original Uno. It looks like, I know some of the old Unos can be valuable, so I'll look it up. I don't know that there's anything there. I think that's a game. Yeah, probably not gonna mess with that one. A ball, a Spidey ball, Spidey. Still thinking about the Shimmer and Shine. This, not gonna mess with. This is interesting. Hillshire Farm sausage. That's metal. Definitely looks vintage, but not in the best condition. Let's see. It is made by, can't read it. You guys see it in there? Oh, it's ERTL. Ertl. I mean, I can look it up, but it's pretty rusted out. So unless it's just something really rare, I probably won't mess with it. It does look old though. Pictionary. Oh, whoa. Let's not pull on that. Oh, wow, look. This is another Ertl. I think it's Ertl. I thought it was ERTL, but I was at Auctions for You, and I think she pronounced it Ertl, so she's probably right. This is just no markings. Something gross inside of it. Okay, so here is a Got Milk truck, but again, it just, the condition does not look great. It's by Toy State. It's another one of those. So I think I just found, you guys know the other one in the first box. These must have been all donated together. Probably goes with this. I don't know. These are so big. I hate shipping really big stuff. So I'm going to look it up, but I probably will not. I'll probably donate those. Okay, it's definitely raining now. This one was $10.99. That last box, I did not keep much. At this point, I'm hoping I can make a small profit, but it's gonna depend on this box because I did pay up a little bit for these. So, let's see what we got here. Gravitrax, don't know what that is. Looks like, I don't know if it's been opened or not. Let's see if we can. I don't know. Questionable. I'll look it up, see if it's worth anything. This is a little Franklin glove. It's pre-owned. I can look that up. These are mini bubble wand. And if it was in better condition, it could maybe be put with a bundle, but it's kind of dirty, so. These are magnets. They're super heavy. I'll look them up. But because they're so heavy, that one's questionable. So these are little just dollar store grab bags, which are great, but I can't really resell those. So this is a frog with a hole. Oh, guys, look. Found 75 cents. Would you look at that? Deck of cards. I guess I could throw that like in a, I don't know, you guys, I'm like pulling at strings here trying to make something out of nothing. They're perpetual puzzle. Again, I don't know. I guess I could look it up, but I don't think it's going to be anything. These are tattoos, bubbles, sticko. So those are like for scrapbooking. I guess if somebody needs a mustache. These definitely came from the same person. So they've been used. These are animals. I'm definitely not going to keep them in the container. I may pull the stamps out. They're just Melissa and Doug. So they're not like the old fancy ones. Let's see. A mushroom. So I might pull all of these out just to try to recoup some of my money and make a lot out of those. Games, I don't like to see games unless they're sealed, because typically they are missing pieces, or I don't know what that is. Make a scene drawing game. Oh boy. Bosworth, the game you already know how to play. I might look that one up just because I've never heard of it, but it looks like I'm gonna have to try to hope to make back, what, $11 with some stamps, which probably is not gonna happen. Car Enthusiast, Burnout. I'll look this up because it says good guys, but and then Blindfolded Twister. If this one's new, which it looks like it is, maybe I'll be able to sell that one. So I'm gonna look up some of these things and see if we got lucky. Ha! Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.